Hello friends, welcome to my new video. My name is Amrit. In this video we talk about Crossbeats Orbit X Smartwatch along with telling the details. I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Crossbeats Orbit X comes with a 1.35-inch curved AMOLED display with 454 x 454 pixel resolution. Smartwatch comes with an always-on display and it also offers split screen viewing. It comes with Bluetooth calling functionality and a rotating crown dial. It offers 15 sports modes and comes with interactive watch faces. This smartwatch comes with IP67 rating, which makes it water resistant. Smartwatch comes with a heart rate, SpO2 and blood pressure monitor. It supports a 200 mAh battery and promises to offer 4 days of battery backup on a single charge. Crossbeats Orbit X smartwatch priced at of Rs 5,999 and it can be purchased in midnight black and lake blue color options. The smartwatch can be purchased online from crossbeats.com. So friends, how did you like this smartwatch? Do let us know by commenting in the comment section of the video and please subscribe our channel.